So question number 7, exercise 2, phase 6, differential equations chapter, and very good application and the geometry. A normal is drawn at a point of a curve if meets x-axis and y-axis, that means x-intercept, y-intercept are given such that 1 upon OA plus 1 upon OB is equal to 1. So let us write equation of normal y minus y is equal to minus dx upon dy into x minus x. Now I will find its x-intercept, put by putting y is equal to 0. Remember here capital Y is 0, small x, capital small y are points. So this is equal to 0. So minus y is equal to minus dx upon dy into x minus x. So this will cancel. So y dy upon dx x plus is equal to x. This is the OA. Similarly, for point B, put x equal to 0. So we will get y minus y is equal to minus plus x dx upon dy. So OB point will be transfer this y plus x dx upon dy. Now put these 2 points in this equation. What is the given condition? 1 upon OA. 1 upon OA plus 1 upon OB is equal to 1. So 1 upon OA is x plus y dy upon dx plus 1 upon OB y plus x dx upon dy is equal to 1. So what we will do, I will multiply here both numerator denominator by dy by dx. So I can write 1 upon x plus y dy upon dx plus dy upon dx y dy by dx, and this will become x. So this is also x plus dy upon dx is equal to 1. So this is converted, this is same. So I will take LCM. So this can be written as from here 1 plus dy upon dx is equal to x plus y. Y will be here, y dy by dx. Now it is simple question. We can separate the terms of dy by dx and integrate. So 1 minus x is equal to y minus 1 dy by dx. So dx 1 minus x dx is equal to y minus 1 dy, which you can easily integrate. X minus x square upon 2 is equal to y minus y square upon 2 minus y plus c. Condition is given, it is passing through 5, 4. So put x equal to 5, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. So you will get 5 minus 25 upon 2 is equal to 16 upon minus 4 plus c. So some constant will come. 10 minus 15 upon 2 is equal to 8, 4 plus c. So this c is equal to minus 4 minus 8 upon 2 minus 23 upon 2. So equation will be transferred on the terms to one side. X square upon 2 plus y square upon 2 that side minus x minus y minus 23 upon 2 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 23 is equal to 0. So definitely it will represent a circle. So answer will be a circle. So it's option number B will be correct. Option number B is correct. It represents a circle. So option number B. So thank you.